I faced a hard disk problem. It was not responding. Gangopadhyay. I have approached Taylor, listening from my friends for the data recovery of my hard disk. I faced a hard disk problem. It was not responding, and approached Taylor. And Taylor people, they have cooperated so much. I can't express it in my wordings. They have picked up these hard disks from my location and recovered the data within time with a complete teamwork and delivered the recovered data and the original hard disk to me. It was a fabulous experience and a great teamwork. But what I think, it is required to give attention to the fees or the fee structure, because it is quite high and beyond the reach of middle class. So to have a greater what I will tell to reach to the people, Stella should consider the pricing. That is the thank you, Stella.